Namaste to everyone. My name is Saluja Chand and I'm a counselor at St. Xavier's College, Maitigar, Kathmandu, Nepal. Let me take you to my journey of self-awareness. I was blessed as I was provided with all the luxury in life that kept me away from all sort of difficulties. Life is not a bed of roses that I heard many times in my moral science class. I think I never understood the meaning of it until a harsh reality hit me hard. A reality full of difficulties and challenges, where I was struggling not only with my feelings and emotions, but also struggling hard to make the end of the month. I was not prepared for this, so I was shattered and torn apart, which was very obvious. I took this harshness thrown on me not as the end, but as the beginning of my new life. As during this time, I realized the importance of self care, not only for me, but for keeping my loved ones stand tall and strong and to make a difference in that precious life of mine. My knowledge in biology, particularly the topic evolution, strengthened me further, as Charles Darwin defines evolution as a slow, continuous, and irreversible process of change that leads to the origin of new species. I too decided to undergo that slow and continuous process of change. Taking a small step at a time, converting every why me into what could I do to make my life better. This evolved me into better and new me that made me survive in this difficult yet beautiful world. Today I am someone who has the ability to convert every negative into positives and every struggle and challenges into solutions. This renewal in me helped me find my purpose in my life. I want to use my knowledge and my learning, making it as a mean for the betterment of people around me, in particular my students. Today, as a counselor, I want to dedicate my life to the students, those who are struggling and sharing a similar kind of dilemma of emotions and help them overcome through self-awareness. Born and raised in Hindu family and being a Hindu, when I came to St. Xavier's College, a Catholic Jesuit institution, it brought me closer to the Ignatian practical spirituality that is so adaptable and talks about cura personalis, care of the person, attention to people's individual needs, and respect for their unique circumstances and concerns, which I find so relevant at my work and in my daily life too. As a counselor, I'm always there to listen to my students' personal interest, their cares and concerns, share their joys and sorrows, help in their personal growth and interpersonal relationships. The kind of work I do with my students is highly engaging, busy, tiring, and at times emotional. Striving to do my job to the best of my ability, I always try to find new and creative ways, not only to provide support and care to my students, but also to myself, so that I become a better version of myself. That will in turn lead to the betterment of my students. Concept that prayer comes first and the work comes afterward, which in fact the task accomplished for the betterment itself is a means of progress in union with God. This is something that I found very much in common with the religion I belong to. I realize that your union with God and your meaning of finding God is same all over the world, irrespective of whichever religion you belong to. I understood and can relate to that spirituality comes above any religion. Life through relentless challenges and overcoming each of them was not so easy. However, during this journey of self awareness, I learned to keep myself in the core center of my universe and made a choice of keeping myself happy first. I realized how our action, what we do, and how we do, have a consequence on us and the people around us. I learned to be adaptive to challenges, developed a growth mindset to bring forth some positive changes in me, and this choice shaped my life. Now I am on a journey of fulfilling my task of touching the heart of my students, being in their journey of self awareness for their betterment and renewal, just like me. I want to leave you with this. We all have a story. It is just that in this story of life, we are our superheroes. We live life once. We should live it beautiful. And to make it beautiful, it's in our hands. 11 years ago, I had a lot of people in my circle of concern. And like every one of us, I too used to get affected and bothered by their comments and criticisms. That would mostly end up with justification and explanation. 11 years down the lane, through self awareness, I learned to bring a shift in the circle of my concern, which has me in the core center. Without this, I would not have understood the preciousness of my well being. This also helped me in enhancing my relationship with others. Comments and criticism, it's not that I don't get it today, it's just that I don't let them bother me any longer. I just focus on my being and in my existence in life. That is for the betterment of the most important aspect in my life, my students. Thank you.